We have to find out the structure of vinyl carbinol. We know about vinyl. In vinyl alcohol, we heard about vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is the monomer of the polymer polyvinyl chloride. So what do you mean by vinyl? So vinyl is the derivative of alkene. If you put here alcohol, it becomes vinyl alcohol. If you put here a chlorine, it becomes vinyl chloride. So the one thing I should realize, the meaning of vinyl, it's the derivative of alkene. So let me show you the alkene derivative. So vinyl is done. Now we look at the carbinol. The meaning of carbon all is COH. So this is the structure of vinyl carbinol. Carbon tetravalent, so we can see 2 and 2, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 2 is the 4. Exactly this one, starting from OH attached to CH2, attached to CH double bond CH2 given at option A. So option A here is the right answer.